Hello, friends and followers and Drake radio enthusiasts. So here we have a Drake, obviously an R4B, and I wanted to replace the NE2 lamp that goes below the PTO, but this isn't easy because the notch filter is soldered on. This is not coming off, and there's no way to really pull that shaft out. So what I did was I loosened all the case screws holding the front panel on, except for that one in the corner, and I was able to bend this up enough to get the lens out of here, which is what I wanted to do. And I was able to sneak the wires up a little bit, so you can basically open this thing up by bending it a bit. And you'll see the wire, and I'll show you the wire coming in. So if you see the black grommet down there and the wire coming in, that's the wire for the NE2. And so luckily, Drake, in their kindness, had enough slack here where I could pull off some of that slack and then grab some needle nose pliers, these thin needle nose pliers. And you can grab this thing and you can pull on this like that. Be careful not to strip the insulation, and then once it gets up along here, you can open this up and you can pull it that way. So it's a two-step process where you got to also pull from in here, and then once you get slack that way, you can pull it out here. And so I couldn't get enough up to solder where the old one was soldered. The old one was soldered here. The old NE2 was soldered down here. I just am using the NE2, the old NE2's wires, and I just soldered on like that. So if you get the connections parallel, like I did there, it's not great looking. It's not, well, I think it's strong. So you can do it that way. So that's what I'm going to do. Bring these back up, and you'll be all right. I'm trying to do it with one hand, but I'm not going to try that. Okay, so that's how to replace the NE2 on an R4B without taking the front panel off and damaging anything. So hopefully I've not damaged anything. We'll see. Get it back together and see if the light works. Thanks for watching. Have a great day.